Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to do smooth animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have prepared Instagram icon on the timeline. And to do animation we usually go to the Effect Controls panel and use keyframes. For example, scale. First keyframe is 63%. Press on the timer icon. And the second around here, make it something like 150. And that's what we've got. This animation isn't smooth, it's linear. And we don't need it. How to do smooth animation? First select our keyframes, right click on them and select Bezier. Let's see what we have done. It's a little smoother, but it still doesn't look very nice. To do it more smoother, we press the little triangle and now we can see our path. First one is our scale and the second is our animation. And to make the animation smooth, for example to make our zoom end slowly, we do the following things. Drag the little anchor to the left. Let's see what we have done. Now we have smooth end animation. If we want to smooth our beginning, then drag the left anchor. Drag it to the right. And let's see what we've got. At first the scale starts to increase slowly and then it gets faster. With this kind of effects we can do smooth animation with any picture. We can do this kind of smooth animation with blur, rotation or any option with keyframes. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.